Scene 1, in the cafeteria.
The Golgi bodies. They were the rulers of the cell. While they didn't seem like much, they were the group that every organelle knew not to cross. At least, not without a price. Mess with them, and the Golgi Apparatus would label you for life. And if that didn't help, she always had a vesicle to help spread any information about you throughout the entire cell. At least, that's what they said anyway.
Hey, so you're the new organelle, right? From outside the cell?
Mm-hmm. Wait, from outside the cell? Then how come you have ribosomes?
Oh my god, Vesco, you can't just ask an organelle why they have ribosomes. So you're new here, right?
Yeah, I just moved to the inside of the cell. Before, I was making new proteins and sending out ribosomes outside of the cell.
You were making new proteins from outside the cell, but you're like really well functioning.
Thank you.
So you agree?
What?
You think you're well functioning?
Oh,
Excuse this for a second. Look, we don't do this a lot, so this is like a huge deal.
We want to invite you to have proteins with us for the rest of the week.
Oh, no, it's
Coolness. Okay, see you tomorrow.
On Wednesdays, we wear pink.
End of scene 1.
Scene 2, at Golgi's house.
My god, my bilayers are getting so big. Do you
Guys.
see how much room they take up?
Guys, have you seen my sister and I? They're like stretching out too far.
I never knew all the issues an organelle can experience just besides functioning and not functioning.
Oh, I feel like I can't even function anymore.
Ugh, oh my god, I look like a multiple layered floppy pancake.
Yeah, Golgi? Well, I look like a blob of hydrophilic heads and hydrophobic tails.
You are one.
Yeah, right.
Sometimes Nucleus tells me to give him more personal space.
Ew. Oh my god, I remember this!
Oh my god, I haven't looked in this forever.
Here, come check this out, ER. This is our organelle burn book. Pretty much, we cut out pictures from the yearbook of the other organelles and write comments about them. You should see some of the comments. And for ourselves, we cut out the best pictures of ourselves and put them in the back and compliment each other. Unless you become a plant cell who backstabs us. Then you're like any of the other normal organelles in the book.
Look, there's Nucleus, this self-centered organelle that thinks she runs the entire cell.
I remember that. Hey, look, check it out. It's the vacuole. The disgusting thing that belongs in the garbage. Oh wait, that's herself.
Ew, what is that?
That's mitochondria. She seems almost too energetic to function.
That was funny. You should write that in the book.
Oh my god, who is this beautiful organelle?
Oh, that's you. Fescal, you are the cute little bubbles that are the most important to the Golgi apparatus. Your major function is to transport products to other organelles throughout the cell so they work properly. You're so important and so cool right now, and you're the best friend to your master of the Golgi apparatus.
Thanks, Golgi. Oh, and look, here's you. Golgi Apparatus, a trustworthy and loving organelle who's always giving hugs to all the other organelles, especially Nucleus and vesicle. You have a beautiful figure, which looks like elegant layers of a cake, sliced unevenly for dramatic appeal. You always make sure to fix up old mistakes in ribosomes, package and label proteins and lipids, and to create new products for the other organelles to use to survive and function properly.
Wow, this is so interesting and creative.
It was all my idea.
Scene. Okay, so pretty much this year I befriended the new girl, and I convinced her that it would be fun to ruin the Golgi apparatus's life. So the new girl would go every day to Golgi's house, and then she'd come back to me and we'd laugh about all the stupid things Golgi said and did, like packaging things wrong and labeling things incorrectly, and worrying about her big sister and I, which in fact are huge. And we gave her this protein thing that made her gain weight, and we turned the vesicles against her. And then the ER, oh, you guys all know my friend the ER, right? Yeah, well, she even turned the Golgi's boy organelle against her. I am so sorry, Golgi. I don't know what made me do it. Maybe it's because I have a big packaging crush on you. So label that. Hey!
Wait, Golgi, I didn't mean for that to happen.
Find out that all the other organelles hate me? I don't care.
Wait, Golgi, please stop.
Do you know what everyone else says about you? They just say that you're a stupid, outsider freak that's a worse functioning version of me. Yeah, so don't try to act so innocent. You should just go shove up that piece of apology right up your ribosome covered.
And that's how the Golgi Apparatus died. No, really, I'm just kidding. But she did get damaged. Some organelles say they saw her cisternate go all the way around. But that's just a rumor. Some swear they saw me push her in front of that bacteria. That was an even worse rumor. But either way, she has an apparatus brace now and can go back to being the ruler of packaging and labeling the cell.